Hi team, good evening. Welcome to the session and today we will discuss about the interviewer questions part over the cloud complications. Guys, if we talk about the cloud complications, it's very tough to believe over the cloud initially because in the world of internet generally organizations provides the services including the data centers, which is generally the physical presence nearby, and we cannot rely on such services which is very existing very far away from us. So I can say cloud services are the new boost up of the next generation services, I can say, who convey the organization that yes, we are the best in price and we have best services in if you have the lack of a space, right, lack of the resources, you can come to us, we will provide you the better services if you have. So guys, cloud services is the next generation technology, we can say. So today we will discuss about the interviewer questions over the complications of the cloud services. Right, guys, don't go for the complications part as a serious one because cloud services are the recommended one in the world of internet. Complications word here I have used because of the multiple technology exist in one place. That's why, guys, complications means doesn't recommend for the cloud services. This is not the meaning here. uh, Once again I am repeating that complications means n numbers of technology exist in one place. Okay, come to the question next part without time wasting, guys. If interviewer has asked to you, can you please explain why cloud is considered as complicated? Right? Complicated means once again n numbers of technology or task placed in one place. Okay. So candidate has to revert that since cloud is a fourth party, so tuning plays an important role with respect to the below task. Okay. Number one is understanding the hardware requirements. What is this means? Depending on the business need, we have to make a proposed inventory to keep our services on cloud. So someone have to excellent understanding on hardware part as well as on the capacity management. Guys, capacity management is a term which comes from the infrastructure library part, uh, who generally deals that what volume of the services we require on what numbers of the particular servers. So capacity means, guys, the tuning of the services with respect to the hardware of data centers. Second part is buying required hardware. So guys, respective hardware should be purchased in a cost effective manner, right? But friends, here one problem came that what volume of the services does customer have and what quantity of the hardware we need. This is a tuning one, so we need a guy who is much experienced in terms of catering of the services with respect to the hardware one. Okay. Point number C is setting up the infrastructure. Since all the services should be run through the cloud, so set up of these on cloud is a big task for implementer who is going to implement or who is going to transfer the services to the particular cloud. Okay, point number D is configuring up the systems. After setting up the infra, it's time to configure the systems, right? Cloud teams also offers these services. It's actually customer or clients call that whether they need their own team to manage the configuring of systems or they are handovering the configuration part to the cloud team. Next is managing the systems, right? Cloud providers also offering the teams who manage the systems. Again, now it's customers call and they have to decide that they are accepting the cloud's offer or not. If customers decided to manage the systems by their own, then they need to understand the technology experience and should hire the candidates accordingly who is very experienced in terms of managing and configuring the systems. Or if they handovering the cloud team to manage, then they simply have to pay the cost to the cloud providers team. Going to the next question, interviewer. NGFW, right? What is NGFW, guys? So NGFW is a next generation firewall. As we know, cloud services is already complicated, so this is the concept of the cloud providers to introduce such a firewall who manage the multiple filtering capacity like intrusion prevention systems, SIEM, XDR, and many more technology, etc. So NGFW is an advanced firewall, is a combination of advanced security appliances, very costly such firewall is. Guys, new generation firewall is introduced by the cloud services because they had given the tender to the firewall organizations like Cisco, Redware, etc. So because guys, cloud services is already very complicated, so they need to merge n numbers of security appliances into one to minimize the complexity. So they had provide the idea to the firewall organization that yes, we need to merge the IPS, SIM, extended detection responses, EDR, and many more technology, so that we can merge these technology in a firewall. So guys, this is a very huge costly firewall we can say, and much and a real genuine experience guy should be there to handle such firewall, because the particular guy who is managing the NGFW, right, should have experience upon the signature based IPS, right. He or she have to very good experience in sim, that how to I mean handle the sim, at least the monitoring a capacity. Next is the XDR one and the firewall like the checklist and all that. So guys, NGFW is the next generation firewall generally used by the cloud services. Now NGFW is going to I mean every organization, even in a small scale organization, because of its multiple inbuilt facility. Going to the next questions, guys. In what phases cloud provides offers the services? This is the interview questions, guys. So particular candidate should have response that cloud company provides the services in below forms. Number one is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. Next one is platform as a service, and next one is a software as a service. Guys, this is only the basics one. I had started the interview questions on the cloud complications part. In the next video, guys, we will discuss about the more like deep depth knowledge of the IAS, PAS, and SAS. So guys, stay tuned. We will discuss definitely, as I asked you previously. We will surely I will bring more interesting questions over the cloud services. So finally, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share the channel. Thank you so much.